In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design checkbox in Figma. Start by opening your design so you have a canvas to work on. Create the base icon by drawing a small square, about 20 by 20 pixels. Keep it a perfect square as you drag. Then round the corners to about 4 pixels for a friendly modern look. Set the box fill to white and add a light gray stroke so the outline is visible on most backgrounds. This gives you a clear, neutral, unchecked state. Now add the check mark. You can draw it with the pen tool by clicking 3 points in a simple angled shape. Or, if you prefer consistency, use a plugin like Iconify to insert a standard checkmark icon. Place the checkmark in the center of the box and align it both horizontally and vertically so it feels balanced. If the checkmark looks heavy or too light, adjust its size slightly so it fits neatly inside the square. Select both the box and the checkmark and group them. Rename this group to unchecked so it's easy to identify later. Next, duplicate that group and rename the copy to checked. On the checked version, change the square's fill to your primary color. Like blue, remove the stroke for a solid look and switch the checkmark color to white for strong contrast and accessibility. Return to the unchecked version and hide the checkmark layer. This visually represents the empty state without deleting the mark you'll need later. With both the unchecked and checked groups ready, select them together and create a component set. This bundles the two states as variants, making them easy to reuse, swap, and prototype. Switch to the Prototype tab. Drag a connection from the unchecked variant to the checked variant. Set the trigger to on-click, choose Change to as the action and pick Smart Animate for a smooth, polished transition. Repeat that connection from the checked variant back to unchecked with the same settings, so the checkbox can toggle both ways. To preview it, draw a frame on the canvas, then drag your new component into that frame. Click the Present button to test how the checkbox works. You should be able to click once to check it and click again to uncheck it. Watching the Smart Animate handle the color and checkmark change smoothly. That's it. Thanks for watching.